Hello and welcome to this TPdoc onboarding video that covers the second part of the intercompany model and more specifically the setup of the group functional analysis. Let's have a look. The functional analysis for the intercompany model consists of the key functions performed, risks assumed and assets used, at this stage performed on a group level basis. The build-up follows a logical approach. First, identifying what key functions are performed within the group. Second, which party performs such function. And third, how important is that function in the overall value chain. The exact same approach applies for the risks and the assets, so we're going to limit ourselves to the functions for this video. On the setup page, key functions can be manually added by pressing the Add Function button here. Users can provide the function name, a description, and an icon for cosmetics. Another option is adding a function via the content library. This content library here contains typical functions that are often seen in practice, like management, R&D, procurement, manufacturing, etc. They also come with a standardized description to make the functional analysis even more efficient. On the attribution page, users can assign the identified functions to the parties that perform such function within the group. This can be done again via the Edit button and selecting the applicable ones. For example, procurement and manufacturing for the contract manufacturer and distribution and sales here for the LRD. Then the remaining step is determining the importance of each function on a high, medium, low skill basis, depending of course on the relative importance or value add of the function within the group. There's also a component of the role and responsibility of each party towards that specific function. Of course, higher levels of importance are typically indicated for entrepreneurial type of parties, whereas more routine parties are often in the medium to low area of the scale. That is in short how to perform a group functional analysis within TPdoc. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video again.